Today's 25th.
Oh, sure.
Hey everybody, this is Jeff and that's Gracie. Gracie, here, you're gonna tell me how to do this. You're old enough now to tell everybody what's going on. So right now what we're doing is Gracie bought a rose. I'm gonna give it this to her while I finish digging the hole. And she's gonna show you what rose and everything she's got. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm handing this over to Gracie and she will explain everything to you. And you know where to switch everything at the bottom. Well, I gotta finish getting this hole dug.
Okay, so we bought a rose, and it's called State of Grace. Like that's like just one reason why we bought it.
The name on it down there. Once you get
how do you flip it over?
Introducing yourself.
Oh yeah, my name's Gracie.
Over by the little thing that looks like two arrows going.
I know what to flip it over. The camera. Okay, so this is called State of Grace, and it smells really good and it looks really pretty. And those are coffee grinds right there. So then, as we're digging the hole, we're gonna put coffee grinds with it, so then it blooms more flowers, and it's really pretty. Like I would recommend getting one.
Where'd you get it from?
Birdman Nurseries. Is that how you say it?
Yep. You can tell them that Todd Fry helped us out.
Todd Fry.
Trevor, Todd, Tom, Nancy. I don't know their older brother's name. They all own Birdman Nurseries now. So that's where we got it from. So this part of the garden is going to be all flowers. I think that should be deep enough. There we are. Alright, so...
How are we going to put the flower?
Huh? Just like this.
What are the coffee grinds?
Okay. We'll put more later when that's done. So now, alright Gracie, show them the name and everything on it. Alright. Now I've got to, this has been a while since I've done stuff like this. I don't exactly want to grab the thorns. Yeah. Tell them what we're doing. You're really quiet over there.
Oh yeah.
I'm sure people are like, what's he doing?
Yeah, we're just we already put the coffee grinds in, and we put these little like sediments things. So now we're digging the hole. We're like putting the dirt inside so the flower can be set up straight. Oh my gosh, aren't we gonna do a waterfall too?
The waterfall is going against the house whenever you do all that.
Yes.
That's gonna take a little bit of try. I'm gonna need your help for that. You can't be lazy. Not even for a day on that one.
A day?
Look, all kinds of worms.
Ew.
Now, if people are gonna ask, we're getting a bucket. We'll put a bucket over this at night so that the frost doesn't get it. We still get frost. Still a little, temperature's still a little weird right now. But if I don't get it in now.
Okay, it looks much prettier in the sun than it does in the dark.
Let's see here. There we go. How's that look, Grace?
Good.
Now, okay, put it back on you and tell everybody one more time exactly what it is.
It is a state of rose flower.
So, there we are. Now we're gonna do some reapers. So, now we're gonna go down the other side, put it on you and walk them down this way. Bring the shovel.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I shovel. Okay. Okay, I just let's take the shovel. Where are we going? Okay. So we're gonna like do reapers or something. Come back over. This is ugly. Wait, how far?
Corn's already in there.
Yep.
Alright, come here. Alright. Let's see. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put some reapers in the ground. My other reapers, I don't think they're gonna make it. So
Where are we putting them?
right in here.
Look, you drilled all that.
That's so water gets out.
Yep.
In case you want to know, that's so the water can get out. All right, so we're gonna put some reaper here.
I think I drilled that hole.
Talk to everybody in just a little bit.